is Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm going to do start to finish on how to upload a card, make the card, and put the card together. So the first thing that we're going to do is you would just click on upload, and all you would do is just attach the SVG file, and then we will hit save. And this is going to be a Mother's Day card. So let's title it Mother's Day card. Okay. And then I'm going to hit save. Next, I'm going to show you, if you see here, this is a solid line, and that means that it's going to cut this card in half, and we don't want that. So first what you do is you move the pink card over, click on this card, and then ungroup the card. And then that gives you access to change that operation. So we're going to change that from cut to score. And then you'll now see that those are dotted lines. That means it's going to score that card, and that's what you want. And in order to fold it, the score mark gives you that kind of crease that you can go ahead and fold. It makes it easier to fold. And then these we will leave as cut because those are perfect for inserting this card into. But first we need to select this and we need to attach it. So now that the operation knows to score, the card. Now we're going to slide this back over. And then here we want score marks on the corner of all of these, so the envelope will fold. So this is a pretty cool trick, you guys. Okay, so right here, this is a little square rectangle box. You're going to click on that and just change that to score. And there you guys have it, perfect score marks. Isn't that cool? So now we're going to select this and hit attach. Now I would hit save too, just because you did all that work and you don't want it to undo. Then we will go ahead and hit make it. And let me plug in my Cricut cord and turn the Cricut on. Okay, and then we will go ahead and click on make it. And we're going to use white, purple, and pink today. Hey guys, okay, so this just came off of the fabric mat. And sometimes I just want to show you, sometimes you may not get all of the paper to come off when you pull it off. You can use the weeding tool and just kind of lightly poke it out, and it makes it so much easier. So let's go ahead and fold this on the score. Now what we're going to do, let's see what this looks like, you guys, without gluing it, because we may not even have to glue it. This is what's so cool about these 4 little slits. You can just slide the paper in there. Let's see what it looks like without gluing, because it's really delicate, the cut. And sorry, it's not hard to put it in, but the way I have my hand positioned so you can see it on the camera, I'm just, it's not my normal. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's so cute, you guys. And I don't think that you have to glue it either. I think, it'll eventually lay down a little bit. I think that's so cute. If you do want to glue it, you can. Actually, I definitely would not recommend. I think it looks so cute how it is. What do you think? Okay, so let's do the card. And we need to fold on the score lines. These are easier to see. And this one. And let me get my handy dandy glue stick, which I love. Okay, so what we're gonna do is this right here. Just a little bit. Isn't this cute? This is so cute, you guys. I love it. What do you guys think? And it's so easy, seriously. That is so easy. So that's so cute too, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. If you guys ever have any questions or anything you want to see, anything you want me to show you, just comment below. I'll be happy to do what I can. And if you don't already subscribe to my channel and you like it and it's for you, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the like button. And I'll see you guys in my next video.